Hello everyone, welcome to this MyNT service. This is case number 620 and it's an iPad Air generation, third generation. Okay, basically there's the problem with the battery. It's bomb up to and bad performance drops, so we change it for new battery. As always, take care of the customer. So yeah, this is after service, so you can use as usual. If you're interested to do any service as MyNT service, please contact any branch. So we happy to serve you. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.